Here is a short video of the outside driver vent. It's dark outside. If you like this video of this evening or tonight, please get 2 thumbs up or 2 thumbs down if you didn't like it, and subscribe down below, or comment down below I should say, and check out my YouTube channel, RadicalPipes.com. Repeat that, RadicalPipes.com. Subscribe, thumbs up, comment down below, and 2 thumbs up or 2 big thumbs up if you like this video of tonight and this evening. And we'll see you two people next time. Hope you have a great day. Bye.